So many people ask us about our 10524 utility blades, sliced ceramic utility blades. They're a great alternative to the more dangerous metal ones that come in your standard utility box cutters. Typically they will fit anything when the two middle notches match up with ours. Ours should fit in the handle. We don't manufacture handles like this, so we can't guarantee which handles they will and won't fit in, but if you take the time to match up the blade that you're using, usually they'll fit properly. Just make sure when you take out the metal blade, you're very careful, of course, and then you can just drop in one of our safer and longer lasting sliced ceramic blades that goes into the carrier the same way. And on your way to safer, smoother cutting. See, it cuts very smooth. Now we do recommend you use our smaller blades. If you don't need to use the longer blade, there's really no reason to cut that type of corrugated with this length of a blade. We typically recommend that you use our smaller blade with one of our handles because there's no reason to be using an inch-long blade when you're only cutting a millimeter worth of corrugated. So our smaller blades are much safer than even our larger blades. So I would suggest you use one of our smaller handles and the smaller blades if this is the only type of corrugated you're using. If you absolutely need to use a longer blade, you can use one of our 10524s, which is going to be safer than a standard utility blade, but you still need to be very careful with this, of course, just like you would with any blade. But you can see when it cuts really smooth and like butter.